Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. Today I am taking you with me to another one of my doctor's visit. I know you love it when I go on my doctor's visit. Some time ago, I did take you with me to this garden, Valley Queen's Garden in Manchester. And of course, almost a year later, I am taking you back with me because of course, you know, our garden, they're always under construction. And so you're going to see different things. So guys, if you want to see just what's happening on Valley Queen's Garden, just stay tuned. Guys, look at this area in this garden, guys, where she has a number of impatient plants, the New Guinea impatiens, and they are just so lush, so beautiful, and the colors are just so spectacular. And behind those, she has some ginger lilies and some Easter lilies. Just look what's happening here. This area is just oh so awesome, guys. And I'm gonna show you from a wider angle where she is now growing bromeliads right in front of this area. Just look how beautiful this is, guys. You notice how the bromeliads with the different colors, the different shape, and they just bring a different kind of structure to your garden and make it just oh so beautiful. Look at that. Isn't this a beautiful garden? Of course it is. Yes, and Valley Queen is doing a wonderful job here. All right, just look at this bougainvillea. This bougainvillea has different colors. It has a white, it has a pink, and it is actually planted in a pot, and just such a beautiful specimen. Look at that. Yes, of course. So now going to another section of her garden. This is where her lush and beautiful Musianda tree is, but it's not putting on that spectacular show this time. But right in front of that, guys, just look at this orchid bed. Yes, she has a lovely orchid bed right here. And in this orchid bed, there are a number of them that are blooming. But just look how large these plants are. Just look at the roots, look at the stem, and just look at the blooms. So let me just put my hand here so that you see how large this one is. It's actually the same size of my palm. That's how big her blooms are. Yes, guys, look at that. So this is another one of her orchid bed. A lot of them are not in bloom, but of course you can just imagine what's gonna happen when they are all in bloom. This is another one. Just look how large this bloom is. Look at the flower. Look at that. Really, really nice. So this garden has a lot of features, has a lot of sections, and I am just gonna take you along with me. This other little patch right here with some other Vanda orchids, with this one here, which is actually blooming. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Oh yes, that is a gorgeous one. So that's the Vanda tricolor, but this one seemed to be the brown one. And if you notice here, it is really spectacular. So in her yard, she has a nice lawn, and around it there are a number of other plants. So along the fence line, she is now trying to put up a few other plants. The sun is hot on them now, so the impatiens are not necessarily in their glory, but you can just imagine what they look like in the early morning or in the late afternoon. And so guys, this is another section, not in bloom again, but with the bromeliads lining this area. They are just oh so beautiful. Yes, so even though we are not seeing a lot of flower here, but there are a number of spikes. Look at this. Yes, a number of buds are here. Quite a number of them, guys. Yes. Let me see if I can find one that is open so that you see exactly what this one is gonna look like. So this is what that other one is gonna look like when it opens, and it has on quite a number of spikes. So in a little while she's gonna have a really beautiful show going on there. So just showing you that section from a distance, guys. You see what it actually looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that. Really nice, guys. Her setup is simple and it's just elegant and it is nice. And we're not finished yet, you know, because there's another section that I want to show you. So just hang around and we'll get there in a little while. Okay guys, this is another section in this beautiful garden, but this section is on her outdoor patio. And here she has some of her household plants, basically. Right behind this, look at that. That is the birdnest fern. Yes, and it is huge, guys. But around that are some other orchids. Her dendrobium orchids are right here. Look at this one, just how beautiful it is. Wow. Isn't that a star, guys? Yes, it sure is. And I'm gonna show you another one that she has here blooming. Look at this one. This is another gorgeous one, guys. Oh yes, just look how beautiful that one is. And even when they are not in bloom, the size of the canes, they are just so big and they are just so lush. She also has a few epidendrum orchids right here. Look at this beautiful pink one. Just oh so beautiful, guys. Yes, look at this other area here. Right here she has her cymbidium orchids along with oncidium orchids, and just look how powerful these roots are. One of her secret, guys, is the fact that she used a lot of organic manure to take care of them, and the organic manure that she uses really does wonders for them. Let me just show you this one quickly here, guys. On her table right here, there is this beautiful native orchid, the Brassia maculata. Just look how beautiful this is, guys. Isn't that a beauty? Beautifully displayed here on her table, on her back patio. Oh, look at that, guys. Really beautiful. Okay. And up here she has her Phalaenopsis orchids that are in her hanging basket right here. And so this is where she has them and she enjoys them here, right here, guys. Right, so this is what she has right here. So here on entering her yard, she has this right at her gate pillar, another little setup here. And this setup has a combination of plants. I'm seeing the arachne. Look at this. Look at the amount of spikes on this one and flower. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Just look at that. We call this the spider orchid, and it is really putting on a splendid show. I really can't even count the amount of spikes that I'm seeing on this one. But guys, isn't this lovely? Isn't this lovely? Oh my God, look at that. And this is right by her gate pillow, putting on a splendid show. And right beside that is this one as well, one of the arachnes. So beautiful. Yes, guys. Just another beautiful one. So we have left the gate pillow, and we are now going to another section in this beautiful garden, guys. Right along her veranda, she has a newly established vanda bed, and well, it's not in bloom, but they are healthy, they are hefty, and they are facing the east. And so in a little while, I am sure she'll be getting a lot of blooms here. But look at this, guys. Oh my God, this is a lovely patch of bromeliad, and they are blooming and they are oh so stunning. This bromeliad, they are really large, and because of that, you have to have it in an area on its own for it to just put on its own show. This is so beautiful, guys. Just look at that. And I'm told that this is not even the best that we have seen it. We need to see it when they have started opening. Isn't this great? This is just lovely, lovely, lovely. Really putting on a beautiful show here, right here on the Valley Queen farm. Yes, look at that. A lovely patch, but you have to have space to grow this one because it really grows into a nice large specimen. And let us continue the last area that we are going to be featuring. So this orchid bed, which is not fully established, but it's getting there. Behind that are some beautiful lilies. And we are going to be getting closer to these lilies because they are really stunning. Some of them have already bloomed off, yes, but there are some that are still putting on a splendid show. How beautiful is this? Isn't this gorgeous, guys? Just look at that. Oh my God. Yes. Another color here. This one is red. Oh my Lord. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And here is a pink one, a lighter pink one with some white in it, and it is just oh so beautiful. Oh my Lord. And just look at this one around here. This is a lovely white one with streaks of red in it, and it is just oh so awesome. Yes, guys. Oh my God, I tell you, this garden is just full of features. It has different types of plants, and listen to me, man, anything the Valley Queen touch, it just have to shock out because she gives it all her love and her care and her attention, guys. And so this is what is happening now in the Valley Queen's garden. It's a little different from when we first visited, but guess what, guys? Our gardens are always under construction, and we always change around our things. And so, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this visit. If you did, come on, just give me a thumbs up now. And so you never miss another video. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe to my channel, and as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids right here in Manchester, Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I really hope you enjoyed.